going to show you how to use and enable the Formstack integration with Workload. That would allow you to create a trigger where anytime someone submits a form through your Formstack account, you can create actions that take place in other places, such as Google Sheets or Clio if you are a law firm. So what you'll do is the first thing, click on Create Workflow from the Workload dashboard, and now you'll be taken to the Workload editor. And we'll call this a Formstack Trigger. Okay, now you'll see the trigger step here. So we'll click on that and we'll search for the app Formstack. And Formstack Documents is something different. We're just going to use Formstack here. And the event here is going to be a new form submission. And next we'll choose our account. So I'll log into a new Formstack account. I'll create a new one. So this will be very similar to you if you're doing this for the first time. I already have two that I've been testing with. So I can select from either of those accounts, or I can just create a new one. I'll show you what that looks like. So now Formstack is asking you to make Workload allowed to use your Formstack account to make actions. So we'll authorize that. And now you'll see Formstack 3 is selected, and we're going to set up our trigger now. It's asking us for a form ID. So let's just click in here, and it should grab a list of all of our forms that are in our Formstack account. So right now I just have this one form called Workload Demo Form. And that's right here is my demo form. It's just a very simple party RSVP. It's from the Formstack templates. I'm just using this for demo purposes to show you how it works. Go back to Workload here, trigger. And now the countdown clock begins here, and we have to go and create a sample. So we have to submit a form, basically the form that we said we were going to, this Workload demo form here. And this is just a simple party RSVP form just to show you a quick example of how this works. And we'll say, yes, we can attend. I'm bringing 4 people with me. We're going to submit that form. And we're going to come back here to Workload, and boom, there we go. We have our output data here, and we have all the details from the form. We're going to save and close this. And if we click on an action, now we can integrate this form with almost any tool. We can use Google Sheets. We can use Clio if you're in the legal sector. We can use Lever if you're in the recruiting industry. And you can also click on tools here to do some really cool data manipulation. If it's an array, you can map fields from the array. You can count the number of items in an array. You can add 2 numbers together, subtract, multiply, divide. If there's dates involved and you need to send a date in a different format, you can use it like that. And you can create loops. All kinds of different things. You can send an SMS message back to the person if they provided their phone number in the form. You can send an email back to the person confirming it. There's really limitless possibilities to what you can integrate with using Workload and Formstack. Thank you. And as always, we're here to help you. So if you ever need assistance in your integration, please reach out at support@workload.co.